I'm Kirsten from Robinson Unboxing, where myself, my husband, my 2 children unbox mystery boxes, subscription boxes, and basically anything we can get our hands on. So today, I am going to be doing a haul from ColourPop. Now, they don't do mystery boxes too often, so I just ordered a whole bunch of things. And then by the time it came here, I got it a couple days ago, ColourPop had put up a mystery box. So that is going to be coming soon. Now, they only had it up for not even 24 hours before it sold out. But like, I was there like that. So that's going to come up soon. So keep on watching for that one. If you watched my last video, I did a BoxyCharm haul. And just so you know, I forgot one of the products. Because there was just so many. There was like 15 items to go through. So I'm going to cover this mirror. And this is the Brow Bar by Rena. So just so you know, like there's some creams. There's a little pencil. There's the tools to do your eyebrows. If you can actually tell, I try to test it out. So this one was done with this. And this one has nothing. So you can definitely see a difference there in like the shape and it being full. So that's the first thing that I wanted to do today. The second thing before we get started with the box is my next video is going to be funny. Let me just say that I went on AliExpress and Amazon and ordered all sorts of tools that help you to do winged eyeliner. Now, if you're pretty much like me and pretty incapable of doing anything straight because shaky hands and whatnot, tune into that and we're going to test out a bunch of different products to see if they actually work. If they don't, it's going to be hilarious. I'm going to look like an idiot and I will have lots of makeup remover there. I'm going to test out the pen eyeliner, like gel eyeliner and pencil. So I'm going to try the 3. And I'll give you a sneak peek of what we're going to do. We're going to do sticker stencils. We're going to do little stencils that you hold up and try and get it to work. We got this little bad boy here to do it. This is going to be a fun one. This one has little shapes of cats. And the cats, in the tail, it's going to be winged eyeliner. If you hold it a certain way, it's going to do it. So we're going to test this one out. Next, we have a crease line kit where you just like stamp it on. I can't imagine this one going good. So you definitely want to tune in and watch me do this because I'm probably not going to look very bright doing this. And we have the stamp where you put your liquid, stamp it on, and then just fill it in. We're going to try that one. There's this cool tool that's supposed to do it. We're going to test it out as well. This one for gel, where you put it on, and we're going to try that one. Then there's this one, and there's one for mascara that you hold this thing to try and not get mascara on below your lower lashes. So stay tuned for that one. So you're going to want to hit the notification bell and like and subscribe. And then you will see our next video come up with that. It's a don't want to miss type of video. So for today, I'm going to do ColourPop. So this is what it looks like. It's jam-packed in there. So it did take weeks to get this, and I mean weeks. So at least they gave me a card saying, sorry, we're late. I mean, at least they acknowledged it. I know we get a lot of mystery boxes and stuff here. And I mean, a lot of people don't even acknowledge it's late. They're just like, whatever. So it's nice that they did that. So once we open it, it's going to look like this. It is crazy jam-packed. So we're going to dive in. And we're gonna do some a little bit swatchy squatchy. And I have a bunch of different palettes, and I have lip liners. I got everything in here. It's like full-on goodies. So let's get started with this little tiny palette first. It's a 9-color palette, and it is Vibe Check. So this is what it looks like. Some pretty colors. So I'm gonna start swatching. So there's 3 colors there. So we got this one's Friday Night, this one's like Literally, and this one is Sweet Fantasy. Now they are feeling very, very chalky, and it seems to have like a lot of fallout, so I will let you know that one right away because I'm feeling that, but I will always test it. And I mean, if you guys are interested, then I can just have like a full-on video of being like, this one's this, this one's this, this one's this, and let you know what I'm thinking about it. So next we have the Malibu Barbie one. Now ColourPop does a lot of different collabs. They did collabs with Barbie, they did it with Lizzie McGuire, they did it with, I think they even did a Star Wars one, which is pretty neat. So this one, it's magnetic, so I'm just going to cover up the mirror for purposes of filming. So nice bright colors. I'm going to do a couple swatches on my hand of this one as well. Let's see, what more do I want to do? There's so many different choices. And there's the 3 there. So we got like a blushy color, you got pink shimmer, and then a gold shimmer. Now they are crumbling pretty good there, so just be aware of that. So be aware of some fallout. Unless you're doing like you're tapping your brush properly and whatever. Obviously I'm using my finger, so it's not ideal to do that. So I'll give them that. Next, I did not order this, but they tend to, if you order so much, they tend to give you like your gift or whatever. So it is a Barbie hand mirror. Now, I have a feeling my daughter's just going to steal this from me. Yeah. So it is a Barbie ColourPop heart mirror. And this is very like, you know, kind of juvenile looking. So, I mean, my daughter's almost 3. She's probably going to love to look at herself in the mirror and do funny faces. Because that seems to be what she does whenever she sees herself in any reflection. So we got that. Next is Just Like Magic ColourPop. And this is also a collab. I'm pretty sure this was a TV show. I've never seen it, but it does say 2003 to 2023. And it does seem like a little bit juvenile. Now, with this one, they did send me 2 for whatever reason. So I have tested this one. And the colors are good, but ridiculous amount of fallout. I mean, I have some on right now, and I have like glitter like on my forehead, on my cheek. It's everywhere. So be aware of that. So I'll just show you what it looks like. You know. And it's magnetic as well. I'm not going to swatch this one just because I already have the other one. And I'm probably just going to give this to one of my nieces, to be completely honest. So there's the colors there. Nice wide range of pretty colors to deal with. I feel like it's more suited towards a younger crowd or someone that wears a lot of bright colors. I tend to stick to just shimmers or more neutrals. So if you like bright colors, you might want to check out this palette. I'm pretty sure it was like 30 something, I'm gonna say, in Canadian dollars, of course. So next we have a Lizzie McGuire palette. Now this is another collab. So I'm gonna test this one if I can get into it. There we go. So this is What Dreams Are Made Of. And if you like Lizzie McGuire, that was one of her songs from, I think it was the movie. I'm gonna cover up the mirror again. And this is what that one looks like. So I'll do a couple little swatches and you can see. And it's the bottom three. So you got like a nice peach, a pink, and like a light lilac purple. So that one's really nice too. But again, beware of fallout. But that one doesn't have nearly as much as the Just Like Magic one. So next we have Luxe Velvet Liquid Lipstick in Big Bang. So this is the packaging here. And it's like a deep red. So we're gonna just... So that's it there. Right here. So it's a nice deep red color. And we have another Luxe in the velvet as well. And this one's more like a neutrally color. Like a, I want to say like a blushy neutral color. So we got that one. What else do we got? Okay, so this is So Glossy, the ColourPop. It's like a shimmer lip gloss. So, and it is sticky, tacky, kind of like what cheap lip glosses like from the dollar store, like sticky. So that's not the greatest. I will wear it and I will try it. So we'll see. Next we got a lip liner. So this is lip liner in the color Frenchie. So it is red. So let's put there. You can see it. It's pretty color red. Throw a garbage bag in here. We got another lip liner in Cool BFF. And it's a more neutral brownish color. And that's it there. I don't know if you can see that. Maybe I'll just do another line over here. Alright, there you go. It's like a light warm brown. Now, this is from the Winx collab as well. These are the Ultra Glossy Lips. Now, this is the same as the So Glossy. I have tried these before, and they are sticky. Now, these are 3 different colors, and you'd think they're very pigmented. You can barely tell that they're pigmented at all once they come out. It's just very, very slight. Like, I don't know. Like, it looks almost clear. And it's right there. So you can barely see. Obviously, you can see that it's glassy and shiny, but no pigment. So these ones are a little bit of a letdown. But, I mean, I had to try them. Next, we have Serum Blush in Cheek Dew, and the color is Hotline. I always like to try the different kind of blushes. So this is what it looks like. I'm just gonna put it. Oh, that's a little bit much. And this is what it looks like. So, I mean, that's a lot. Obviously, I don't have it blended properly. I don't have my stuff here. What do I have? Too much. Too much for me. So, and then they threw in a pressed powder shadow, and it looks like just like a beigey color. It's called, what's it called? Laguna Matte. And usually they just put these in as like an extra as a thank you. But this would have went with one of their palettes because it is a replacement tin. So, I mean, we'll use it. I wear neutrals a lot, so we'll try it out. Next, we have these. So these are the Barbie collab, the ColourPop Dream House Lip Duos. So these come with a lipstick and a lip liner. Oh, these are the last stuff. So we got this one. And then the lipstick that goes with it. As you can see, they match up really well, obviously, because they go together. Next, we have a lighter color. It's a like pinky color. And the matching lipstick to go with it. I don't tend to like to do like lip liners very much, or like especially dark ones that are darker than lipstick. I remember the 90s when all the women had like super dark lip liner, and then they had like really neutral colors. It looked trashy. I'm trying to avoid that. And then this one is a more neutral shade. Woo! And let's just say this is cute that they do this. Is Barbie has their Barbie logo etched into their lipstick. So that's kind of cute. So I'm going to put this one on. And there you go. Now, this is all the stuff that I got from this box. So just remember to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can see my video of all my tools I'm going to do for my winged eyeliner. We're always putting up new videos every couple days, so make sure to check it out, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.